If you're a construction company, we at Brewster Consulting can help you leverage the data that you already own to find operational improvement opportunities to have a tangible impact on your bottom line. Think about how many, say, light bulbs that you guys use. If we can help you find the opportunity to save $1 on every one of those light bulbs, think how much money you would save on every project that you conduct from that. We can also do things like look at your subcontractors, see if there's situations where maybe they're messing with you and maybe overcharging, and comparing and contrasting them so you can find the best subcontractor for the best price. Another thing that we've helped a lot of construction companies with is looking at jobs and estimating them very quickly. So when you're looking at someone who wants to know how much is this going to cost, you can quickly adapt and quickly get them a number that's going to be able to make sure that you're getting the margins you want, but also keeping that customer happy. If something like this would be of interest to you, feel free to use the book a meeting button below, and we'll be happy to get started with you.